Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction on Spanish Town Road. Now this Spanish Town Road takes you from downtown Kingston to Mandela Highway. So this is a main road in Jamaica, it's a main thoroughfare. So they are renovating the road, but the road project has two parts. One, they're laying Water Commission is laying pipes, and then once they finish laying the pipes, the road is going to be paved over, and it will look similar to I don't think they're going to put the concrete barricade in the middle, but it's going to be paved over and widened. Okay, so they have a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road. You have Tivoli Gardens, you have Denham Town, you have Trench Town, you have Olympic Gardens, you can enter Arnett Gardens by driving through Trench Town. A lot of communities, you have Tavares Gardens, numerous communities, and these are very large communities. So as these communities grow over time, the water supply wasn't very constant because the existing water pipes were not large enough to supply the water on a regular basis. So Water Commission laid new pipes to ensure that these communities have a better supply of water. So they've laid part one of the project is to lay those pipes, and then part two is to pave over the road and widen it. Now if you can see on the left and the right, they have put in the sidewalks, or you can see where the road is going to end now. The sidewalks haven't really gone in, but the brick has been put to the edge of the road. That's a better way of saying it, so that you'll know that's going to be what the road looks like. Alright, so Water Commission said they had finished laying the pipes, and that's why you see the road dug up like this, because Water Commission was laying the pipes. They said they had to pressure test the pipes, and then once the pressure test came back okay, they would sign off on their part of the project, and then the paving of the road could start. However, I've noticed that the road is being dug up again. So it looks like some of the pressure tests did not go according to plan, and they have to dig back up the road. Something went wrong with the laying of the pipes. That's delaying the project. So once that's done, the road will be paved over. And now this road is very busy. Now the busiest road in Jamaica is Mandela Highway, and to get from downtown Kingston to Mandela Highway, you have to take Spanish Town Road. Spanish Town Road leads into Mandela Highway, but the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the one straight ahead, which is Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. The busiest intersection in Jamaica. It's so busy that this double overpass was built at the intersection. So Spanish Town Road is a very busy road, and the government is doing an excellent job with these main roads and highways. So you can see Spanish Town Road is going to be renovated soon. Hopefully they put up this concrete barricade in the middle when they do it. It helps to control the flow of traffic with the illegal turns. And Hagley Park Road, that's the busiest intersection, Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. Hagley Park Road was recently renovated. So Spanish Town Road is going to be renovated, and to get from downtown Kingston to Mandela, you would take Port Royal Street, which was recently renovated, to Marcus Garvey Drive, which was renovated, onto Spanish Town Road, and then Mandela Highway. So you're going to have a major road network in Jamaica, fully renovated, highway quality roads. So the government is really doing an excellent job with these main roads, and we have to see the NWA, National Works Agency, is responsible for these roads, and they are doing a good job with these main roads. Secondary roads now, that's a different video. Alright, so this part of Spanish Town Road now has a lot of business places. On the left is Excelsior Biscuit, on the right you have a lot of warehouses, you also have a lot of car dealerships. So this is KIG, Select Brands on the right, and then KIG, which deals with Ford, and then Toyota, which naturally deals with Toyota cars. Now on the left is probably coming up is probably the most popular location on Spanish Town Road, which is the Red Stripe facility, or what they call the 214 exchange. So there it is coming up on the left, and on the right you have the Toyota dealership. And when we're talking about the communities that are off Spanish Town Road, you also have Seaview Gardens and Riverton City. Okay, so at this intersection where the light is, if you turn left, you go into the Seaview Gardens area. Further down, if you take the left, you go into Riverton. As you can see on the right, a warehouse is being built. In Jamaica, a lot of construction going on. Country is progressing quite nicely. Okay, coming up on the left now is also another popular location, and this is the J. Ray and Nephew facility. J. Ray and Nephew makes the white rum in Jamaica. They have the most popular white rum in Jamaica. They make other things too, but they are most popular for the white rum. And as you can see, a lot of warehouses on this road because it's very close to the wharf. And it's also a major thoroughfare, so if you're going into or out of the city of Kingston, this is very close to Mandela Highway, which is the main road in Jamaica to take you out of the city. Want to get to downtown Kingston, want to get to Halfway Tree, you're very close from this road. So remember I said I don't think they're going to put in a concrete barricade, because you can see they would have probably started work on that part already, because they have this road has a different layout. It has like a separator already. And if you notice, the road is 3 lanes in this direction, but when you come to the bridge, it merges into 2 and then goes back out to 3. So hopefully the roadworks project will include extending that bridge to 3 lanes. Alright, so at this intersection, if we turn right, we go on to Weymouth Drive, which takes us into Washington Gardens and back to Washington Boulevard. Now on the left is the Riverton area, and they have they call it Riverton Dump. I'm not sure if that's the correct name for it though, but it's like a landfill where they store garbage. So you have a lot of garbage trucks going in and out of this area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Straight ahead is Mandela Highway. Here you can see they dug back up the road, so something is clearly wrong with the pipes they laid down. So as soon as they fix that, they will start the paving of the road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.